Hey, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Paiseec Mobility Scooter. And unfortunately, recently my wife was in a serious car accident, so we needed to find a lightweight and portable mobility scooter. And I think this fit the bill. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this and show you how easy it is to assemble it. So I don't really know what we're going into or getting ourselves into, but we're going to find out on camera, live with you, and see how it goes. So here we go. Let's start the unboxing and see how long it takes to get this thing up and running from right out of the box. So it looks like everything is assembled already, except for the battery. So let's check it out. So we got a couple pieces of paperwork. All right, so let's see. Here are the controls. Now this is a really cool, high quality basket. Goes right on the scooter. And this seems like a carrying bag or something. Check that out. This is our charger, battery. That's the side. Put it in our basket. That's right. Here is a scooter. And I guess what we can do is we can just kind of pick this up. Got to figure out where we can grab it. Oh, wow. This is actually really lightweight. All right. So I guess what we'll do is it actually break the box. It'll make it easier. All right. Wow, that looks really cool. All right. So yeah, so it looks like everything basically comes assembled, and from the website, everything was kind of shown as just being able to fold it up and put it into a car real easily, but also had enough power to get around up and down hills, off-roading. Yeah, so you just kind of, I don't know, it's supposed to like, oh, there we go. Wow, look how simple that is. Well, this is obviously the seat, and there's a piece of styrofoam in here. Oh, and this comes up. You get your armrests. Wow, this thing is really cool. Look at that. I mean, basically, it's ready to go. And that only took a couple minutes right out of the box. And I believe the battery is in here. You have a set of keys. Cut these off here. And then Turn it. Wow. Look at this. Remove the battery. Wow. This is everything we were hoping it would be. And the quality on it looks fantastic. Good. And we'll see if we can turn this on. Oh, right here. So you have to put the key in. Wow. Look at that. We're up and running already.
Take the seat before driving.
Oh. My God, that's comfortable.
Reversing. Caution, please.
That is crazy.
Reversing. Caution, please.
I mean, look how simple that was. That is awesome. We got a horn. You have a front headlight. Check that out. And the basket goes right in the front there. Wow. My wife is going to love this. This is going to be perfect for throwing it in the back of the car really quick, unfolding it, taking it into the store, stuff like that. And let's grab our basket and see how simple this is to put on. Looks like you just kind of slide it in there. Gotta get it in the... And then you can tighten these here. Wow, that is awesome. But really, really easy to unbox and set up and get going in minutes. So what we're going to do is test this out, have my wife use it, and we will report back and also make some other videos with this to show you guys what this thing can do and how it can help a bunch of people that need a portable, lightweight scooter like this that just folds up and unfolds in seconds. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. We'll get back to everybody. Thank you for watching. Till next time, peace out.